Hello, all. Very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies again. I welcome you all to today's our machine learning and artificial intelligence classes. So I'll just take a 2 to 3 minutes of time to introduce about our social media handles and about our trainer, and then I'll hand over the session to our trainer Advaith Garu. So from there, he will take over. Okay? Yes. So let me start with our YouTube channel. So we have a YouTube channel called Raj Informatica Real Time Hands On Job Based Training, and we have almost 35.5K subscribers, and we have already uploaded 380 plus videos here. So you can just look into our channel once. Okay, so we have uploaded like a many useful videos here on different cloud technologies, like Informatica Cloud, Snowflake, Salesforce, SAP, Power BI. Okay, so Informatica Power Center and cybersecurity, Azure data engineering, Azure Databricks, AWS and DevOps. Okay, so in that way, we have a many useful videos are uploaded in this YouTube channel. Just go through once. If you like the videos, just give a like and comment on the videos. And if you like to watch the videos, you can subscribe to our channel to get more updates about our channel. And look, whatever the new courses we'll be starting, we will be posting on our YouTube channel as well. Okay, so you can just subscribe to our channel to get all our updates. Okay, to get all our updates, you can just subscribe to our channel so that you'll get all updates from here. I'm just sharing the channel link in the chat box. I'm just sharing the channel link in the chat box. Yes. So this is our Instagram profile. So Raj Informatica. Okay. So we have almost 2,921 followers here. So to get the job updates, we will be posting all our job updates here in this profile. You can check out in the highlights as well. There is a highlight called job openings. In these job openings, we will be adding all the referrals, all the openings available in the market right now. Okay, you can just follow our channel to get all these updates. I'm just sharing the channel link again. This is our Instagram handle. Yes, I have shared. So this is our website. Okay, so we have a website called razinformatica.com. Okay, so initially it was Raj Informatica, and later on we changed this as in Raj Cloud Technologies. You can check out here in the left top corner. Raj Informatica is now Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, you can check out the things here. So initially we started with only Informatica Power Center classes, and now we have almost added all the trending cloud technologies in the market right now. Okay, you can check out here artificial intelligence plus machine learning training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, Salesforce certification training, cybersecurity and ethical hacking training, Azure data engineering and Azure Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, AWS and DevOps, GCP professional certification, and Python for kids. Okay, so Python full stack development, Power BI, Python for AI and Chat GPT, and Tableau trainings. So these are the trainings that we are offering right now, and very soon we are launching a testing as well, testing and the generative AI also. Okay, these two courses we are going to launch very soon. So just keep browsing our website, so that you'll get all the updates here. Apart from the courses, we have added a few useful information for everyone. If you can just go to the interview section here, we have added many useful interview questions here. You can check out here Power Center, Snowflake, AWS, Oracle, ISCS, IDMC. So many interview questions are also available here. And in the material section also, we have added many useful information materials are also added here. So just visit these pages. Okay, visit these pages to access these things. Power Center, Informatica, types of tasks, Unix, Oracle, data warehousing. Okay, so many useful materials and interview questions are available in our website. Okay, so you can just visit them by using the link. I'm just sharing this link as well. I have shared the website link also. And for the upcoming live sessions, suppose as I said you, I have many courses here, right? So we have a many courses here. So whatever the upcoming demos or the upcoming introduction classes or the upcoming interview or discussion classes, okay, so all these classes we will be updating you here in the home screen. In the home screen, if you just scroll down a bit, so you can able to see. So artificial intelligence plus machine learning classes 22nd May, and the Power BI classes 23rd May. Azure Data Engineering and Databricks classes 24th May. Snowflake classes from 28th May. Okay, so in that way, like we will be adding all our upcoming classes updates here. Okay, so that you can just click on the join now button. You can just click on the join now button and you will be asked a few details here. That is like a name, mobile number and mail ID and submit. So you'll get that particular session details as well. Got it? Yeah, sorry for that. Yes. So these are the details that you can check out from here. Okay. And now coming to the AI with machine learning classes. As per the many people request, I'm just like giving the introduction and everything here. Okay, you can just have a look into the complete course details here. And after this I'll just hand over the session to the trainer. From there Advait gar will take over and he will explain you about the complete introduction part about both AI and machine learning as well. Okay, so hope you can see my screen, right? I'll just like make a text bigger. So is it clear, right? Is it clear? Yes. Yeah. So the course name is Artificial Intelligence plus Machine Learning. So the course duration is 60 plus days. The course duration is 60 plus days, and you will be getting 65 to 70 plus hours of training here. 65 to 70 plus hours of training will be given to you. And the course fee is 20,000 rupees. Okay, so and there is some discount price available today. If you just stay connected till end of the session, you are going to get the discounted price as well. Just stay connected till end of the session, you are going to get the discounted price here. Okay, yes. So the course duration is 60 plus days and 65 to 70 plus hours of training will be delivered to you. And the class timings are evening 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 2 hours a day. Okay. And coming to the weekly, so weekly we will be taking a four classes weekly. That is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. For every two sessions, we will give a holiday to you so that you can prepare yourself on these two classes. Whatever the two classes have done. Okay, you can practice on the third day. Okay, and even after Thursday and Friday, you'll be getting a 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, again you can practice well here. Okay, so in that way, like we have prepared the schedule. Okay, the course fee for this like AI and machine learning is a 20,000 rupees, but you're going to get a huge discount today. Just to stay connected till end of the session so that you are going to get the discount prices as well. In this training, we are going to cover one real-time project and few test cases as well. That is a few case studies. Okay, few case studies also like we are going to get here. We are going to provide each and every session recording to you, whatever the classes has done. So each and every class we are going to record and we are going to share that recording with you. Okay, so no need to worry about that. The recording, material, everything will be given to you. No need to worry about that. And the batch starting day. Batch starting is on 26th May, that is this Monday. From this Monday, like we are going to start this batch. Okay, so you can plan for your registrations. So the batch is starting from 26th May. And for registrations, you can contact us at two numbers. We have a two official numbers. Okay, that is 810-529-6858. This number you will get it as a Raz Informatica. You will get this number as a Raj Informatica. And the other number is 63616 38108. Okay, that is a Mega Raj Cloud Tech. Okay, you will get this number as a Mega Raj Cloud Tech. Okay, I'm just sharing both the numbers. You can just like save this chat. Yes, I have shared. Okay, so the remaining details I'll explain you at the end of the session. As I said you, so just to stay connected till end of the session. We are going to provide a huge discount as well today. So just to stay connected till end of the session, you'll get the offer details as well. So let's take a small 30-second break. Let's take a small 30-second break. Okay, so share me your name and WhatsApp number. share me these two things, name and WhatsApp number in the chat box. You can select in the chat box to Raj Cloud Technologies and you can share me your name and WhatsApp number as well. Okay. Once you share your name and WhatsApp number, my team will be adding you to the artificial intelligence with machine learning real-time project discussion WhatsApp group, and we will also share the today class recording as well. Okay, we will also share the today class recording as well. To get today class recording and the WhatsApp group link, you can just share your name and WhatsApp number. You can just share your name and WhatsApp number so that we will start the session. Let's take it just a small break, like 30-second break. Okay, meanwhile, you can just like share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat box so that we can start. Yeah, just stay connected. I'm getting a chats here. Yes, stay connected till end of the session. I'm going to explain you the complete registration part as well. Don't worry. Okay. After the session, after the technical things, like what are the doubts you have. Okay. So after completion of all the things, then I'll just take over this registration part and I'll explain you how to register and all. Don't worry about that. So if you are asking for the morning sessions, so just stay connected. I'll just give a chance to you as well. So how many people are looking for the morning classes as well? Okay. So as per the requirement, like we can plan, that's not a problem. Okay, just stay connected, please. Okay, thank you all for sharing your contacts. If you haven't shared yet, you can keep sharing. Yeah. So Advait garu, over to you, please.
Thank you, Karthik. So I'm sharing my screen first, okay? So did all the people are able to see the screen? Can you please check this? Is my voice is clear or not? Can anyone respond in the chat box? You people are able to see the screen and you are able to listen my voice?
Yes, Advait garu, I'm getting the replies here.
Okay,
These
all
people
right,
are able to hear you. You can continue, please.
fine. Thank you. So yeah, let me introduce myself first. I am Advait and I completed my post-graduation in statistics from the Usmania University, Hyderabad in 2007 batch. Okay. After that, I worked as a data analyst for TNS India Private Limited for 5 years. After that, I joined as a data scientist for Genpact. Again, I served for 4 years over there, and I joined back to the Kantar operations in Hyderabad. Again, like work for some more years, and almost of 14, 15 years of work experience with the different industries, working as a scientist, data scientist, senior data scientist, and all. And from the last 5 to 6 years, I was in people making the teaching. Okay, I was started teaching the people with different organizations, currently working like a full-time faculty with the different groups. Okay, so 6 years of almost experience in teaching. Okay, so was good experience with a lot of people, enthusiasts. Okay, throughout India with the different companies. Okay, so today we are going to talk about our lecture what is on artificial intelligence with machine learning. Okay, so this topic has been we are listening from the few years repeatedly, right or not? if you open your Instagram and all, people are getting repeatedly ads about this AI course. In the YouTube, if you open it now, a lot of people are making videos on this AI. And definitely I'm sure that this word is being listened in your company as well, like through your managers, through your colleagues, from all your seniors, wherever that you are working. So what does this mean? What is this artificial intelligence? Okay, it's all about the change which is happening throughout the world on day to day, an intelligence that we are trying to make from our own end, an intelligence that we are trying to make with our own end. And this research is not just from not from 2 years or 3 years. It was happening from so long, almost of some 1960s. Some 1960s this research was happening. Okay, someone forgotten his name, but he was started thinking of that. Yeah, why can't we create an intelligence? Why can't we create an intelligence which is just things like, which is just things like an human, an artificial intelligence? That means what? Not a natural made intelligence. We need an artificial intelligence which is prepared with our own hands. So that's the thought was initiated in the 60s and started first what? Preparing a computer, creating a computer. So to make our analysis, to make our calculations bit faster, to make our computer to understand what is our needs, so they started some languages, because a communication is required between me and my computer. And this progress, this initiation has been started with the C++, Pascal, COBOL. So many languages have been introduced. And today, yes, this is an extension part, whatever the creation that is happening. And today it is been exclusively and used in many areas, right or not? So yes, what is an AI, artificial intelligence? Yeah, it's a technology that makes our machines to do smart things. What does it mean by machine here? Nothing but what? Our computer only. Okay, our computer, we are making more strong in thinking and in taking the smart decisions. For example, like understanding your voice commands. Now, before that, we don't know about these voice commands, but actually, if you observe that from the last few years, okay, your YouTube has a voice command, your Google has a voice command. Okay, currently the Meta AI, which is in your smartphone, is also having such a voice commands. And we are also seeing such as a Siri, Alexa, which is also a voice assisted companies, right or not? So these things are what actually doing, yeah, listening your voice, okay, converting into a process and understanding your requirement and replying you back again. So this is one of the latest things which is happening in the world we are talking about. Like that, so many things. Recognizing the faces. Hope so. You people have seen nowadays we are not showing the ID cards in the companies to enter, right or not? To get your attendance, you are showing your face as a recognition. Face recognition system is being applied during the attendance. So what are all these things? And a perfect live examples of AI applications. So playing games like a chess is mentioned, but a lot of other video games have been existed. All are comes about, yeah, from the AI only. So it is even helping with the task like predicting what movies you are going to watch. Either is a OTT platform or your YouTube or under the Instagram also. Which social network you taken it out? There you could see recommendations are existing. So the recommendation which is happening, how it is possible? Yes, something AI is working over there. It is not coming like a blindly in front of you to recommend the product, to recommend the video, to recommend that song or anything. Which content doesn't matter. But the content or recording video, whichever it is now, things related to your interest, not blindly. Things related to your interest only. Okay, you will get a notifications. You will watch the products when you open the e-commerce websites. So how does recommendation is happening? Yes, these all things are from artificial intelligence. Lot of changes, lot of changes. So go back. Let's go back. Why? So why we are talking about more about AI currently? Because we have a lot of data around us. We are having a okay lot of data around us. I'll tell you with a problem statement to make you better understand. How does this data exist? How does this data is actually existing? In what way you are getting this data? We have a lot of computers around us. If you go back, for example, 15 years back, 1 5, okay, so we don't have that much of computers. We don't have the smartphones also. Computers are there, but only in the industries only computers are being there. Only some specific industries, not all industries also, because internet is also very less limited usage. Not every people are not sure about what is meant by internet. Not everyone, actually, for example, smartphones itself is not there. So I'll show you one thing here to understand better. So look at this problem. Look at this effect. What was happened? I'm sure most of you people have been seen this a drastic change in your lifestyles. It was in the 2016 where Geo is launched. So before that, actually, from 2000 to 2015, 7,899 billion GB we have generated using Google search, using YouTube, using WhatsApp, or some other things. So it was taken 15 years for us. But after launching the Geo, you know now how much drastic changes happened. What was this? What these people have done? They given free services, internet throughout India, unlimited internet. Okay, I think I remember still only just you have to pay 150 rupees per month. During that moment, other networks such as Airtel, Reliance, or some other networks, they are charging almost of 300 rupees per month. But this person has made a fully internet free with 150 rupees only per month. Hope so you people are able to remember. I'm not sure whether you are giving comments or not. Yeah, if you are able to give any comments, yeah, you can share your comments as well so that I can understand. Okay. However, I will give the questions and answers at the last time. Definitely. Okay. Let's come back. Come back. So here a drastic change was happened in the years 2016-17. What happened? Yes. And lot of people are started using the internet. And yes, we are also started using smartphones from the same year, almost 2017 or 18 years. A lot of changes. Our smartphones also getting a highly, what's it, hard disk, high RAM power. So okay, and we are going with 2G, 3G, 4G, now 5G. So this changes which is happening around us will creates a lot of data. Now from today morning, how many people are using Google Pay in a day? At least 5 to 6 times. Even if I take 5 times also, okay, in a month you are making 150 transactions. If I convert back into overall 1 year, it will make what? How many? 1800 transactions by only you. Now in our class contains of almost 40 people. So 1800 transactions with 40 people. So how much it will be? Somewhere around 7 lakhs, I think 7 lakhs 20 or 72,000. No, 7 lakhs 20,000 transactions only we people are making in a year. Just imagine that the crowd that which are using around us, how many Google Pay users are there, how many Paytm users are there. So all these are part of what? Data generation. So during this period, during this person, lot of other telecom industries have been shut down the services or not. Agree with me? Lot of other industries have been shut down. If you see one of the previous network services, Aircel is there. Now it is no more. Uninor is there. Uninor, also, maybe I'm writing wrong spelling, but yes, this is also no more. Okay. Docomo is there. Somewhere gone out completely. So like that, so many industries have been completely smashed out. That is what they completely reduce. I mean, they got a huge loss and completely shut down the services. But till this year, a good competition is still giving, a strong competition is still giving to the Geo. Which is the network that? Airtel, na? Airtel is doing such a strong competition to that Geo or not? Now most of the audience from us will be definitely will be there either from Airtel or Geo. So don't you think Airtel is also losing the business during the moment? But how do you think that they have stopped the people jumping the networks? The people who are jumping the networks from Aircel to Geo or Docomo to Geo. So why don't Airtel people also jump the network, right or not? So this is the same thing is happened here also. So that's what I mentioned here. Okay, earlier it was Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, Docomo, so many things are there. But yes, all the industries, all the companies have been lost their business, but only one Airtel has been there. So Airtel also face the same challenge, but they have played a strategic game there. They applied some analytics. They applied some machine learning techniques. They applied some data science techniques over there. So how do they apply it? Yes, they apply free services. Sorry, this is about again this one. Which one? Geos. Okay. Yeah. So they are, yes, they are seeing that massively. Okay, customers churn problem exists. So Geo added over 100 million users in just 160 days. So even yes, Airtel data also user base initially as users switched for free data because they don't have the option. Let's understand the problem now in detail. So if I have such a data, which is Airtel customers data, these are what, yes, my Airtel customers data. What information there with him or every customer information, right or not? Such as name, okay, age, gender, prepaid or postpaid customer, how much voice calls they made, how many SMSs they made in a day. Okay, every customer I'm talking. How much of internet he is using, from where this person is been located, what was his billing month, billing cycle, like how much of billing that he's making. So like this entire information of their customers, of the Airtel customers, do they have it or not? How many customers will there probably? We are not sure exactly, but definitely we know some 20 crores of customers minimum will be there. I'm talking in the period of 2016-17 only. Now it could be more also, but just roughly I said 20 crores of customers. So I see every day status, or the customer is they with us or not. The people who are yes means what? They are with us. The people who are no means what? No more customer. The customers are already left. The customer already left. So like that, yes, I see every day no in my customers information. So I see people are converting as no. No. That is what? They are not actually recharging. They are not paying the bill also. So I have to understand that they are ignoring our network. So if I keep ignoring this one, someday I also need to shut down the services. Then what shall I do? Then what shall I do here? So here, yes, I have to predict those people who are ready to leave the services. I have to what? Predict that customers who are leave the services at any time. So the question is, how to predict those customers from the 20 crores of customers? How do we know this? Which people are going to leave? To be frank, not really every customer is leave the services, because some customers will be very busy customers will be there, high profile customers will be there. They don't look for these options. They are looking for the best quality. But some customers will be there, They're looking for always a better opportunity where we can get the best ratio, where we can get the reasonable right with a reasonable price, with the highest quality, quantity, you will get it. So people are there. But how do I know that which are those customers? So that's how an analytics is required here. I'm not sure how to work on such an analytics kind of case studies because I did not have any recruiter. I, in the sense, imagine I am the Airtel owner. So what shall I do then? So I am facing this challenge, and I need a person, I need a team who can handle this situation and help me. The people who are trying to jump the services now, I'm going to give a best openings or best opportunities, best benefits to the customers such that they don't leave my network. But who are those customers? That's the biggest challenge. Who are those customers? So what I do? Yes, I will hand over this project to someone who is leading the market. So this is a company, Airtel, and this task is given to you if you are working somewhere in the industry. For example, you started your career as a data analyst or a data scientist or AI developer or machine learning developer, anything. So, however, you are the part of that company. So imagine that client is coming to you, to your office, and telling about the problem, what they are challenging, what they are facing up. Now here we are going to have several departments, several teams will be there. Here we are going to have several teams will be there, because every company will have several teams now. So in that same passion, yes, I'm doing the same thing, same template here. Okay. And this is one team, this is another team. Okay, this is another team, and finally this is final team. So what are these teams? What they do actually? So first team will be asking that. So yes, you are asking for do some help in investigating or in making some analysis. So can we have the data of your customers? Can we have the data? That is what this entire data customers, can we have it? So that is what I have to give them access of where I save this entire data. So Airtel is told that yes, we are saving this entire data in a big cloud platform. A big cloud platform is there where we store our data. It could be AWS or Azure services. So I come to know that, okay, data is stored under the cloud services. Then what is the next step? Then my first team who are able to work on such a cloud platform, their primary role is what? Yeah, get the sample data, calling the data inside to the local databases. So what is primary roles? Yes, using technologies such as, okay, Hadoop, Spark, or some other tools. Okay, there are so many tools are there, MongoDB and all. Okay, but I'm writing some of the tools. But however, these people are working on these services and bringing the data here. So what do they call there? We call them as what? Big data engineers. The people who are working on the database and getting the data into their own platform is what called big data engineers. Then what's next? So my client has an immediate questions by looking at the data. So they are asking that, yeah, I'm seeing every day my customers are leaving my services. Can you just give an hint? Okay, can you just give an hint? Are the prepaid customers are leaving services, or the postpaid customers are leaving services? So this thing I need to know immediately. So these are the immediate questions is asking by my client. So what I have to do then? So immediately, yes, one of our other teammates from here who are working on the analysis, they are getting the data from here once again, and they started applying some data visualization techniques such as Tableau or Power BI. So what they do? Yes, those are called as what? Data analyst. Those are what called data analyst. Okay. So the primary role is what? Yes, work on historical data. Work on historical data. That means that historical data means what? Oldest data, previous data, and give the maximum inputs what they understood from the data. For example, what is my question? Yeah, prepaid or postpaid? Yes, from the overall data, yeah, postpaid services people are actually leaving more. That's my first answer. And another question is again asked by our client, Airtel. So what the next question? Are the people who are leaving the services is from the metro people, metro city people, or from the non-metro city people? From which they are actually leaving? This is my second question. Immediately again our data analyst will do the some kind of visualization techniques and giving up some solutions what they observed from there. So this is where the primary role. Now my next question is, okay, yes, from the remaining group of people, we have large amount of now. So from the remaining group of people, okay, let's say 20th person. Okay. So how do I know that this person is going to be leave my services or not? So I need to predict those people. That's what my initial question. How many people are going to leave the services? Which are those people? How do we predict those people? So that's where, yes, our data scientist will come to the role here. Data scientist will come to the picture here. So what this person will do? Yes, he will be applying something called machine learning techniques. He's going to be applying something called machine learning techniques. So using machine learning techniques, he will start predicting about the public's behavior. So he is going to identify from the every customer that who will be staying with us and who is going to be live anymore. So if I give these details to the my Airtel customer, what they do? The person who are ready to live now, for example, this is going to be live. Let's say, yeah, imagine. Let's remove this one. Out of these remaining people, yeah, my machine is telling that yeah, this person is going to live. This person also going to live. My machine started predicting it. So when I know which are the customers are going to live, what I will do now? Yes, I'll give the benefits earlier as possible, as fast as possible, what actually our competitors networks are doing, so that my customers also should get the similar benefits. If I'm able to give the same benefits, now customer is not going to leave my network. So to be frank, I'm not giving the same benefits to all the customers. I am able to predict the peoples based on the past incidents, which kind of customers are leave the services very fastly. I am trying to predict those people and I'm only giving that offers to those people first as a first priority. So this prediction that we are going to make, which one? Yes, data scientist. So how it is possible? Yes, he's applying some machine learning techniques. So machine learning techniques. What is machine learning? We using machine learning, what we are doing actually? Yes, we are making our machine train by passing, okay, some data inside, okay. So what steps that you are doing? Yes, we are making our machine to understand the patterns, okay, in between the columns. That is what here practically what should we call variables, in between the variables. Which variables? What are those variables? Yeah, these variables. Pre-post customer information is a variable. Location is a variable. Billing is a variable. SMS is a variable. Age is a variable. So which variables are highly influencing? Influencing, as I'm using a word called influencing. For example, generally a person who is working professional 35 years. Another person is there 45 years. Usually these people won't look for the least prices or least quality things. What happens? They are actually working with so many things. So they don't have the time of changing the portal, looking at here and there, comparing the things and where we are getting less and all. So these people won't do much. But the people who are less income people, such as freshers will be there, okay, low income people will be there. There are higher chances. So their ages are going to be very less. So the people who are having higher ages, very less chances. The people who are having younger ages are higher chances to leave the services. So the combination that I'm trying to observe, yes, yes, that combination I'm trying to observe. Which people are actually having the similar group. So our machine also observing the pattern. Which age people are influencing as yes, which age people are influencing as no. Similarly, is prepaid customers are leaving more or postpaid customers are leaving more? Which location people are actually highly leaving the services? What kind of billing people are leaving the services? Are the internet usage people are leaving services more? Or the voice usage people are leaving the services more? Are the male people are leaving the services more? Or the female people are leaving the services more? So this entire analysis is been observing by whom? Yes, data scientist. Where, how it is possible? Yes, you are applying some machine learning techniques over. So this is a common thing that we are learning. So under the machine learning, there are several topics are there. Several topics are there. But how do we start this learning first? How do we make our machine understand this first? Yes, starts with some statistics topics. Being a learner, being a beginner, you are supposed to initiate with the learning of statistics. That is what we are going to cover. That is what we are going to cover from the, yes. Our entire course has been divided into 8 weeks, exactly 2 months, minimum 2 months actually, to be frank. It can be plus or minus also happens. The entire first week we are going to take up the foundational understanding with the statistics. So it doesn't matter which profile you are from, okay, which education background you are from. However, we are talking from the scratch level. So using the statistics, we can give an analysis, an immediate report like a data analyst, what they do. Later after learning the statistics, then we are entering into the week 2, which is machine learning. So machine learning is a Python code that we are supposed to write. We are supposed to write under the Python code. So I'm not sure how many people are from coding background, but however, we will be initiating our discussions with fundamentals, that is at scratch level of the Python code. So it doesn't matter do you have the coding knowledge or not. We'll start from scratch level, where I'm going to show you the installation process, and from that we are going to start. So entire second week will be dedicated learning the entire Python related topics, and that's where our fundamentals are going to become strong under the statistics under the Python. Later after, we are going to start from the machine learning in the week 3. So under the machine learning, there are several topics are there. So if you remember in your childhood days in the machine learning, if I talk in your childhood days, there is something called y is equal to mx plus c. How many people are remember this one? Y is equal to mx plus c. So this y is called mx plus c is a mathematical equation, right? Straight line equation. So using of this straight line equation concept, we are going to develop the machine learning models. We call it as models. In a simple words, I'll tell you. Your age. This is what exactly? X-axis, right or not? This is what? Y-axis. So I am taking of different people's ages here, like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. And I'm also taking the weights on y-axis. As your age grows, your weights will be grown or not. Whenever your age is growing, your weight is growing. I'm not talking about the completely adult people. I'm talking about from the 5 years kid to, let's say, 25 years young person. Okay. So during this moment, your weight will be keeps growing or not. After at a certain stage, your weight won't be much change. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about between 5 to 25 years old. Okay. So during this, what happens? Yes, your age grows, your weight is growing. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to understand that. Okay, we are trying to develop a model in between age and weight. What kind of model? If I give input as age, some value, let's say 25, what could be his weight? I'm trying to predict the weight of a person. If a person is 30 years old, what could be his weight? I'm trying to predict another person's weight. Probably he will be around 75. I'm just roughly telling. So that capacity that we are making our machine train, that kind of knowledge that we are going to give into your machine to understand the prediction power. Okay, so how this is possible? Yes, in which direction these points are moving now, which direction these points are moving now. So those direction I am drawing a regression line. So in generally in your childhood days, what do you call this one? Slope line. So we are trying to identify that slope. That means what? The value m, which is m, y is called mx plus, that value m is our slope line. X is what here? Age. What is y here? Weight. So we are calculating the weight, y value, with the help of m and x, and adding some constant, which is this value. Let's say the minimum constant is, let's say, 20 kgs. Minimum 20 kgs plus based on your age and multiplying with some m value, which gives me what? Y. That is what? Weight of a person. So that model that we are trying to do it. So this concept is been that we have learned from long back your childhood days. The same thing will be repeated under the entire machine learning, deep learning, the entire AI course is running with the same concept. Don't worry if anyone is not getting out what is connecting, what is this topic is talking about. So we'll talk again in detail. So being a demo, so I don't want to take in too much of depth discussion, but yes, this is the interesting thing that we are going to learn. How that, so this kind of model we are also going to make under this columns for this variable. So in our example, weight I'm trying to calculate now. In this example, I'm trying to calculate status. Which customers will comes the result as yes, which customers will comes the result as no. So this process will be called as what? Machine learning. So we are covering that machine learning part from the week 3. A lot of different models are there. Regression, some models called as regression models, some models called as classifications, some other techniques are there. And another week also we are continuing the same models, machine learning models. Okay, tree based methods, SVM based methods, unsupervised, future engines, all these are. So entire 2 weeks we are going to learn it completely in detail. So after this, coming back to the business case, I have left another box now here. So what is this box refers for them? Now I have given this, I hand over this model to my client and he was happy. Now he's asking me some advanced questions. Now what he was asking me, I don't want to write any instructions with my hand. I'm not that much of what to say person to put down the technical. So I need very easy way. For example, like the voice command that we have under the Google and YouTube. Na? Similarly, I also want to make a voice command services to understand that, okay, the upcoming figures. For example, my question is like this. I'm trying to give a voice command like this. Okay. Imagine in the place of Alexa, I'm using Airtel. Okay. So tell me, Airtel, what percentage of customers will leave the services in the month of June? This is my first question. Okay, again, Airtel, can you tell me that, okay, how much of internet is using by the currently the customers from the last 3 months? This is my second question. So what are these things? A voice based instructions. So I'm interested to make such a voice based instructions. How do we make this? So that means what, my voice which I sent it, okay, through recorder, which is a text data, right or not? It's a text data, not a normal data. So that means that a person who are supposed to work on text data first and analyze it first, understand the person's query, and again I have to reply him back accordingly. So here I need to have a little bit more advanced techniques to be applied, such as I may require to apply natural language processing plus something called deep learning, the advanced techniques from the machine learning world, which will be used by the some other person. So who is the person here? Yeah, the person will be, yes, an AI engineer. All are clear what I'm talking? An AI engineer will be taking care of this advanced calculations. So there are multiple roles out there. But yes, currently today we are focusing on which roles? Yeah, we are specifically focusing on these roles. Our course content also focusing on these two platforms. Our course contents also focusing on these two platforms. All are clear what I'm talking? The person should become a machine learning expertise, or the person should become an NLP or deep learning expertise. So after learning the course, you can try with any one of the roles. The more knowledge, the more salary you will get. Okay, the more knowledge, the more salary, the more practice. Okay, everything is depends on how you are practicing it. So that's where from the week 5 we'll start learning what, natural language processing. Look at this, what is mentioned here? I mentioned here chatbots. What is this chatbots? Hope if you people are using Airtel app in your mobile, whenever your internet has been disconnected in your home, what you do? You are supposed to go to the Airtel thanks app or not? So earlier call centers are there to receive your calls, to raise your queries, but no more call centers because chatbots has been replaced in those positions. So when you're writing some query, chatbots started replying to you. Now this chatbots development has been happening in every industry. Now the company who develops a website, for them chatbots are really important. It could be for a travel agency, it is important. Okay, it could be any other entertainment related things. Any website you take now, yes. If they want to prefer a chatbot development, yes, they can do. How it is possible? Yeah, a person who is NLP specialist, natural language processing specialist, will take care of these things. So the entire 5th week, okay, entire 5th week, we are going to learn the NLP learnings. So this 1 week is also not really enough. Why? Because we are going to expand the same learning under the week 7 NLP 2, where we are going to cover up all these topics. And at the end of the NLP lectures, yeah, we are going to work on some small case studies. To be frank, every week, almost we are going to cover with a small case studies related to the topic. Things which are covered under machine learning, yes, at the end of the lecture, we are going to work on small case studies. When we are covering up NLP sections 2 weeks, yes, we are working on NLP related case studies. Okay, this is next. Next one is what? Yes, this is where the more AI topics, advanced AI topics are supposed to learn. Deep learning, where we are going to learn a little bit more AI lectures in detail. Deep learning part 1 and deep learning part 2. Entire 2 weeks. If you observe that, yeah, the more time that we are going to spend under the NLP and deep learning topics, because our course is about what? AI with machine learning. But we did not ignore any one topic. We included all the things which are related. Started with the statistics, okay, with the fundamentals of Python, then machine learning introduction in detail, 2 weeks for machine learning, 2 weeks for NLP, 2 weeks for deep learning, which is completing with our entire structure. And at the end, yes, definitely you are going to have one project with in detail explanation. So depends upon the persons to persons role. Okay, your priority, your what's it, working lifestyle will be changed. Technologies are supposed to learn. So all these are matters. So if you see, opportunities are like growing like anything. Hope so. As I told at the beginning, yes, it's not about only one company or two company. Opportunities are rising like anything in every industry. Okay. Yes. The great revolution is being changing, which is happening in the retail sectors, e-commerce sectors, okay, and hospital sectors. You take any kind of sector, tours and travel sectors, okay, entertainment sector, all the sectors are getting changed. People are getting replaced with the AI developments. The person who learn the AI will have the life. The person who don't want to change their life, they will be stay back in the market at the same place. To be frank, people are going to be lost their jobs very fast if they don't adapt their AI in their regular lifestyle. If they don't change their career towards AI, so definitely it is going to be happen in the next few years, which is going to be a serious problem to most of the people. That's why lot of people are getting changed sectors. I mean, the people are from other backgrounds, non-IT backgrounds. Also, people are started because first of all, non-IT background people only will get affected more. To be frank, I'm sorry to say that. I'm sorry to say that, but it's fact. Non-IT background people only gets affected. Like as I told, call center people only will get affected first. Like there's so many things. Okay. Yes. As I told, yes, changes which is happening nowadays. You are seeing driverless cars, driverless bikes also getting. Okay. Yes, AI has been used in the treatment for the cancer patients, predicting the status of the cancer patients, how much month he will be able to survive with the disease what they have, what precautions could be taken, how much of possibility that a person is going to have the cancer or not. Like everything can be predicted very fast using the AI. Now you have seen, I think you have heard, AI robots have been started taking care of the patients in the hospitals during the treatment, making the treatment, lot of things. So then what are the things are supposed to learn? Yes, I told Python is the most important, or say a language. Under the Python we have several subtools. We have libraries are there such as NLTK, scikit-learn, ChatGPT, Keras, OpenCV, Matplotlib, NumPy. All these are different tools which are supposed to use by us. So we have a lot of flexibility. We have hope so you people are started using ChatGPT now. So you help taking the help of ChatGPT, we can make our work very easy also. That is also possible. What other things that we are supposed to learn? Yes, deep learning, NLP. However, I mentioned it, but again, I'm just giving an input here. Computer vision, okay, machine learning algorithms, model evaluation, ensemble methods, generative AI. So all these are, so generative AI is the next level topic, but just I mentioned here, we are not going to cover. I'm sorry for it, but yeah, in the next, yeah, the person who are good in learning the AI and ML, those person will be capable of learning generative AI. Again, it's the next level subject. Okay. Yes, the person should be good in prompt engineering, speech recognition, statistics, and all. So this is our general flow. Like you are supposed to learn machine learning, you should have some fundamentals related to the max. No need to have deep, but some fundamentals are required that I am covering in the regular classes. And neural networks, which is from deep learning, and apply some any kind of what's it, processing techniques. So which kind of application that you are making? It's CNN or ANN or ML or any other things. So this is all. Okay. Yes, we are going to learn all these inputs, whatever it is mentioned in the content, within detail, with a practical approach. Okay, on day to day. And yes, you might be seeing most of the courses are been doing with Monday to Friday regularly, but I'm not making like that. What I've done is, okay, Monday, Tuesday we'll take up the classes and we'll take a break on Wednesday. Why? Because I want you people to revise the learnings on Wednesday once again, so that if you have any question and answers from the topics, again you can come back to me on Thursday's lecture. After Thursday, Friday, again you are going to have Saturday, Sunday, 2 days break will be there. 1 day for your personal time and 1 day for practicing it once again. And again you can come back on Monday's discussions. So that's how we plan it. So in a week, you are going to have 4 days of lectures with 8 hours. Depends upon your question and answers, it may go a little bit more only. Okay. Like that, we are completing this entire structure for 2 months with 64 hours. Where is it? Yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, 64 hours as a planned hours, but depends upon your questions. It may go up to plus or minus 2-3 days more only. Maximum to max 70 hours also will be reached. Again, depends upon how you interact with me uh, in learning the subject in detail. At the end, we are going to have a project, and the project will definitely will helps you for your resume preparation. If you are interested to do one more project, yes, I'm ready to give another project for your convenience. Like now, you are supposed to do it. One project, I'll make you show how to work on it. And if you are interested to work on another project, I will give up another one. And you are supposed to work on your own way. If any help is required or mentor, any guiding is required, yeah, I'm there to help you. That's not a big deal. But you are supposed to do by your own hands, so that your confidence will be rises. Okay, you will learn your own capabilities. You will understand how much of best that you can do from your end. So that I want really. Okay. Yep. So yes, that's all. That's all. So yes, if you have any questions and answers, yeah, you can come back to me. So regarding the other like now recording sessions, okay, yeah, like where do we get it? Those are all things that our Raj Cloud Technologies will take care. So you can other non-technical things you can talk to the Raj Cloud Technologies. Regarding the subject wise, yeah, if you have any questions, you can ping me or you can take your what say chart. I mean voice here, and you can raise your voice and you can talk to me.
Hi, Advait garu. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
So, hello everyone. Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies again here. So now you have the unmute option also. So if you have any questions, you can unmute and you can ask as well.
Yes. Yes. Anyone, if you have any questions, you can make it clear. Any doubts that you have? Like I see some people from non-IT background, some people from non-coding background. Yeah, I'm sure that you people are from some different backgrounds. So definitely you should have questions. If anyone has questions, you can make it clear. Sharing your experience as well, so that I can help you. I can guide you in what way you can convert back or you can get into the technology in this area.
Hello,
Yes,
am
Arvind.
I audible?
Yes, Arvind,
Yeah,
I can
I'm
hear you.
Arvind here. Arvind here. Actually, I'm
Yes, yes.
working currently my profile I'm working as a SAP functional consultant, as a plant maintenance consultant.
Okay.
So is this how it's going to enhance my certification, my career with this AI is like as a SAP functional consultant?
Yeah. So how long you're working in that area?
It's almost 2.5 years.
12.5 years.
Yes, yes, but I before I
Yes.
was from a non-IT sector. There was a
Okay.
mechanical engineer.
Okay. All right. Yes. Yes. Definitely, there is a possibility that even yeah under your sector also there is a yes adoption is going to be happen because things people are industries any CEOs or managers are actually looking for what yes any kind of platform either you are working for SAP or SAS or any other things. So people are looking for a change where they are within minimum things they want to get out the come out with the results. So I'm not that much good in the SAP, but definitely yes, AI is going to be ruled over there as well. Because where there is a technology and there we have AI, and their AI will be taking up all the technologies into their hands. So definitely, yes, that is also required to. Yeah, people are supposed to come from whichever platform. That doesn't matter. Yes, AI is going to be lead over there. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Adit.
All right. All right. Thank you, Arvind. Yes. Any other questions from anyone? Is it all clear? There are so many people are there. Ajay, Anuradha, and Gopal, Karthik, okay, Prasad, Ravi, Rupa, Sai Charan, Sheel Kumar, Vijay, Suresh, Sri. I just randomly taken some names. So Ramandeep says something. One of my friend wants to start in A, but she is basically from medical study background. But what's that? 1 second, let me read up clearly. But not doing any job yet. How she can start? Is she has to learn everything ML and A? Medical study, yes. So the learning that you have the fundamentals, no? Basically you are she's from medical study background, no? Yes, there is a lot of change which is happening under the healthcare sector, no? Under the healthcare sector, yes, every day is a research, every day is a research work is going on for the pharmacy background, for technology applications. That's what I'm talking. The cancer treatment which is happening, not doing by a person actually, the robots itself doing over there. The person who is having the medical knowledge, and if they adopt that AML into their own area, na, then definitely, yes, they will have a bright future. Okay, definitely they have a lot of bright future because the person is having domain knowledge on that area, na. He or she should know about the entire, yeah, medical knowledge. So it is easy to transform actually. The challenging for that person is what? Yeah, a little bit of Python at the beginning. The Python becomes a coding language. A little bit, what's it? Practice is required. A strong determination is required. Put down your efforts. Practice well. Anyway, you are saying that she is not doing any job, so it is the right time to practice more and adopt these learnings. And you can put your resume in such a way that yes, people should get appreciate of your hard work that you have learned, how you adapted it, and the kind of case studies that you have done. If they want, yes, I have some healthcare studies related to it. I can help on that. What kind of projects can be done in that area? Okay. Yes. Will be useful for medical student? Yes, definitely. Did you hear a platform such as Novartis company? Novartis is also when a company. Okay. All these people are actually doing what? Clinical trials. So many companies are there who are working on clinical trials. What they do, clinical trials means what? The drugs which are used in developing the medicines, initially they are developing a new research on it, right or not? Whenever they are making a new medicine, they are applying some research on it and trying to identify the best medicines. So these clinical trials will apply on those patients who are not only patients, or it could be anywhere, who are ready to take up that one. So the person who is from medical student definitely will be helpful over there also. See, not every person who is learning the what say BPC in their 11th class or 12th class not becoming a doctor, na. So probably either they have to go with the B pharmacy, but using this B pharmacy or any other knowledge, yes, you can get into these industries also. The person who's having such knowledge with AI, yeah, again, yes, there is because this AI is not with respect to only IT sector. People are thinking in a wrong way. Don't think of that the AI has been connected with only one IT sector. No, it's been connected with every sector. Every sector has been connected. Banking, healthcare, pharma, tours and travels, manufacturing, logistics. Okay, And what else we have? So many other initiatives, supply chain management. So where there is a data, a recruitment is going to be done for a data scientist or an engineer or at least a data analyst. Where there is a data. So which industry does not have the data? Can you tell that which industry does not have the data? Every sector is there. Because every industry is using computers, internets, large amount of their own data is getting saved. So people are looking for how to make use of those own data, which is saved in their own databases. Which is saved their own databases. All are clear?
How strong we should be on Python?
Yes. How strong should be a Python? Yes, definitely. Yeah, if you ask me, then minimum 8 out of 10. For example, I am asking you how much you rate yourself. How much you are good means what? Yes, I will ask 8. I'm not asking to, yeah, you have to learn, you have to be very strong under the 10 out of 10 rating. Okay. I'm asking that minimum expectations. Okay. 7 to 8 is a good rating. So that is what? Yes. What are the topics that we are covering? At the beginning, yeah, you are from definitely non-coding, maybe. You will feel a little bit when you are writing the Python, you feel a little bit, I would say, yeah, errors you will get. But the same error you won't repeat again. Nah? It will take some time for to sort it out. But when you keep sorting the errors one by one, yeah, someday definitely will become a shine. So yes, known to have
So this
deep knowledge
course,
of the, yeah, okay.
yeah, so this course will cover like Python learning as well.
Of course, definitely. Without having the Python, this entire code, how we can write. So this entire, maybe I did not mention or what anywhere. No. Yeah, here I mentioned under second week. So the from the week 2 we started Python. Na? In every week, Python only will be there. When I'm using machine learning method, Python with machine learning, Python with NLP, Python with deep learning. Every time Python only will be there. Without Python, there is nothing is there.
All right, thank you. Yeah.
Yes. And the advantage with Python is what? We have several libraries actually. So that libraries will reduce your time and efforts. Libraries will reduce your time and efforts. That is the advantage. That's why Python is becoming very popular from the last few years. Whereas other programming languages are there in the market, but that is not becoming popular. Why? Because Python has a advantages. Libraries are there. Lot of code is been reduced with minimized. And how to put the right way of code also we will learn it so that you can get the results very fastly. At this moment, I can't explain you what is meant by library, but just a thought that just a given I will tell you simple example. I have some 100 lines of code. That 100 lines of code I'm not going to rewrite all the times. Okay, I will call library. Under the library, you will have 100 lines of code, and that library I will make use it for multiple times in multiple scenarios. Are you getting my point? 100 lines of code which is saved under one library, and that one library I'll write in a one line of code. Okay, now this one line of code avoids lot of calculations which you are supposed to do with your own hands. That one library will give up all the results what is really needed to you. So instead of writing 100 lines of code, calling with one library, you will get the results very fast. That's what library means. And I'm not going to use for only one time. We are going to use it for multiple times in multiple places.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
what about statics and math? Do you have to be good at
Yes.
that?
Yes. So not required too much. Not required too much. The minimum fundamentals are supposed to learn. That I'm covering here. No need to have too much max. No need to have too much statistics. But yeah, what things are for what? Okay, you have to understand. This thing is for what and why do we use it? This thing
Okay.
is for what and why do we use it? So we are not putting our hands anywhere and writing and calculating plus minus division operations or no, not all those things are gone. Those all calculations Python will do it. To be frank, I'll tell you. So if you want to become a good driver, of four-wheeler. Okay, so you are supposed to learn what? Driving skills. You should know what, how to control the steering, how to control the gearbox, how to control the clutch and accelerator, right or not? So no need to go inside the car and observe the mechanism of the car. Okay,
Okay.
our Python code also coming out with a already developed car. So you are going to sit under the car and you are going to start driving. So you are supposed to learn the driving skills and understand the entire functionalities which is inside the car. So we are not going to repair the car in the back end, going to see what was the mathematics, where the mathematics, how it is changing, what are the inputs. So those things are not really important. And no doubt, it is not going to ask anywhere in the interviews also. But are we driving correctly or not? That is what really important to know. Okay, are we really driving in a right direction or not? So how a person will get a driving license? Yeah, the person will be observing your behavior on the that when you are learning the driving now. Okay, a policeman will observe, yeah, your behavior, how you are driving. Yeah, you are taking left signal, right signal, you are taking route or not. That's how that things will be checked. So here also you are also going to check our code is really going in a right direction or not. We have some metrics to identify that our method is whatever that you have written is right or wrong. By looking at that, we can change the things accordingly. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, I think. All right. So I think that's all from my end. If anyone has any questions, you can talk to me. Otherwise, our Raj Cloud will be taking care of the next action what they want to tell. Okay. So yeah, Raj Cloud, you can take care.
Hello everyone, this is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies again. Yes, please, sir. Arvind, please go ahead with your query.
Sorry, it's
Okay, so I'm back again. So the thing is, if you have any technical questions, okay, if you have any technical questions, you can ask the trainer here. So the Advaith is available right now. So if you can ask, like we can clear all your technical questions if you have any. So if you don't have any technical questions, then we'll move into the registration details and all. So how to register for this course and all, like we'll proceed. Okay. So hope you can see my screen, right? You can see my screen, right? You have the unmute option now. You can unmute and you can speak as well.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So this is our website. Okay, so this is our website in the home screen. Okay, if you are in the home screen, if you just like browse for razinformatica.com or Raj Cloud Technologies, you can get this page. Okay, so after getting this page, just go to the courses section here. The first one, AI with machine learning training. Okay, you can just click on this. You can just click on this, so that like you will be into our artificial intelligence plus machine learning page. Okay, so in this page you can check out the complete details. What are the technologies taught, what is the course unique features and the course content. See, weekly wise we have given the course content as well. Okay, so what we'll be doing in week 1, week 2, week 3, like that. So we have given a clear curriculum as well. Okay, you can just check out the details completely here, and the right side you can see pay and enroll now. Okay, the course price you can see that 19,999. Okay, you can just click on pay and enroll now, and you can enroll as well. Okay, you can enroll as well here. Okay, so this is your course price 19,999. But as I said you, there is some special offer is available today. Okay, so actually the course price is 20,000 rupees. Okay, you will be getting a 15% discount here. Discount is 15% if you enroll today. If you enroll today, I'm mentioning this again. Okay, this offer is available only today. So as we have just done with the demo now, so you are going to get this discount. Okay, this discount is available only today, please. Okay, so the discount price is 3,000 rupees. Okay, 3,000 rupees will be the discount price. and the course price is 16,999. Okay, so this offer is available only today, that is on 22nd May 2025. Okay, if you come tomorrow, the price will be like 20,000 rupees only, that is sorry 19,999. Okay, this will be your price. Okay, so hope you understand. So I think like we have cleared with all your doubts and like complete the course procedure and weekly schedule, duration, time, course content, everything like we have given to you now. And coming to the payment part, we will accept all the payment modes. We accept credit cards, debit cards, net banking, internet banking, like whatever the like banking you wanted to go for, yes you can, and UPI. Okay, so UPI, PayPal, Remitly, okay, international transfers, so everything like we'll accept here, so no need to worry about that. Okay, if you want to go through with the like a UPI payment option, so this is the payment details for UPI payment. For UPI payment, you can consider these details and you can go for the enrollment. Okay, so this is the offer actually. So I have given the complete course details and everything to you. So, and see, I can tell you something here. So if you are like if you are not expert in the Python, that is fine. No need to worry about that. The complete basics of Python will be teaching here. So no need to worry about that. Okay, the complete basics part also we will teach here. Even if you have the complete zero knowledge on the Python, no need to worry about that. From complete scratch we will start and we will help you on this. Okay, yeah. And coming to the job assistance and all, so we will be providing you the resumes, interview preparation, and we will provide you the 200% job assistance as well here. No need to worry about that. If you can just give your consistency for 2 months, that is more than enough to get good knowledge and to get the job as well. Yes, each and every day. I have a question here from Karthik. So yes, Karthik, no need to worry about that. We will be adding you the recordings on daily basis. Okay, that means today we have a session. Yeah, session 1 will be uploading into your portal. Okay, so like tomorrow will be session 2. Session 2 will be uploading in the portal. Okay, so whenever the session happens, the same video recording will be uploaded to your website access. That means you can access these videos anytime. Okay, so even if you want to access the for after 2 months, yes you can. After 2 years you can. After 3 years you can. Yes you can. No need to worry about that. Okay, the videos will be available for lifetime for you. Okay, for the registrations you can just like visit our website as well. As I said you, okay, in website like we have mentioned you contact numbers, okay, where you need to contact us. Okay, this is the number 8105296858, and in the during the demo session I have shared you the other number as well, right? That is 636163810. If you receive the any detail about any course, okay, if you receive the information from these two numbers, then you can believe that this information is genuinely from Raj Cloud Technologies. So no need to worry about that. Okay. So you can just like if you want to cross check, you can just call to any of these two numbers and you can ask us about the whatever the information that you have received on your WhatsApp from any other numbers as well. No need to worry. Okay. So this is our two official WhatsApp numbers and the calling numbers as well. Okay. Yeah. And I have a question from Ravi, that is like, can we have a morning classes as well? So as of now, the current batch, we are going with the evening batches actually. Okay. So coming to the morning batch, we'll confirm you soon. You can contact me personally so that I can help you with the further details as well. Okay. So you can just contact me personally or else you can drop your mobile number. My team will call you and help you on these things. Okay. Yes. Still anyone having any questions? Anyone having any questions? If you have any questions, you can just like post it here in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can ask me as well. I hope everything is clear for everyone, right? Yes. So this is our YouTube channel. Okay, this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-On Job-Based Training. In this YouTube channel, you are going to get the recording as well, today's recording as well. Today's recording we are going to upload by tomorrow. Okay, by tomorrow morning, you can check out the recording here in this YouTube channel also. I'm sharing the channel link again in the chat box, or else you can search in the YouTube for Raj Cloud Technologies or Raj Informatica, or else you can search with the name as well. Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-On Job-Based Training. Okay, so that like you can see our like YouTube channel. From there you can get the like this today's session video as well. Okay, yes, thank you all, thank you for joining to today's session. Thank you again.
Yeah, thank you.